Websites like the dirty may be offensive to some people, but the First Amendment gives the freedom of speech to all Americans. Censoring the website could be a violation of the First Amendment since it's based on satire and entertainment.
For all you Harry Potter fans, tonight is the night. Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows Part 1 comes out in theaters at midnight. The movie breaks J.K. Rowling's seventh and final book into 2 movies. Sights and Sounds here in San Marcos is a fun holiday event for the whole family. Carnival rides, food, and even a toy train exhibit under thousands of Christmas lights will help bring in that holiday cheer.
When people want to read gossip about celebrities, they can find plenty of it online. There are dozens of websites that offer it, but celebrities aren't the only ones who run the risk of being defamed. TheDirty.com is a controversial gossip website run by Nick Ritchie, who calls himself the first reality blogger. The website allows anyone to submit pictures and stories about ordinary people. Most of the stories are graphic and demeaning and make claims that are often untrue. Some Texas State students have been put on the website and feel hurt by what the site says about them.
And I've been on that site a few times, and they say a lot of mean stuff about me. And I'm not necessarily that famous either.
Some students wonder if the website and its stories can be subject to libel, since many of the claims are damaging and untrue. Texas State media law professor Gilbert Martinez says since the website is for entertainment, it would be difficult to have a winning case against the site.
If he's posting information that is false and that harms people's reputation, then there's a great potential for libel lawsuits. However, the Supreme Court has often ruled that satire is protected under the First Amendment. So if people read captions on his website that they know not to be true, that it's for entertainment purposes, and they're just making fun of people, and no one takes it seriously or really believes that this person is promiscuous or whatever it might be, then there's a great chance that satire, it will be considered satire that's protected by the First Amendment.
The website may be satire and protected by the First Amendment, but some students feel it is not fair to make fun of others for everyone to see online.
I think he's got a fighting argument that the First Amendment protects a lot of what he's doing. It really comes down to whether a jury will believe that harm has actually occurred or not to the plaintiff.
Websites like the dirty may be offensive to some people, but the First Amendment gives the freedom of speech to all Americans. Censoring the website could be a violation of the First Amendment since it's based on satire and entertainment. For Bobcat Update, I'm Jen Nickell. Many teens and young adults are causing serious accidents when trying to send texts while they drive. Several studies show it's just as dangerous as driving drunk with a blood alcohol content of 0.08. The Texas State University Police Department warns students about the dangers.
It creates a distraction in the vehicle for the driver. They're not paying attention to what's happening on the roadway because they're looking at their phone, and potentially can end up causing them to have an accident.
Many students, though, remain unconvinced that texting while driving is as dangerous as driving drunk.
I don't know if it's that bad, but you do take your eyes off the road a little bit, so it might be just as bad pretty much. You're not as impaired, but you aren't looking at the road, so it's basically the same thing.
Other students say they are able to text and drive without causing problems.
I try not to do it a lot, but I don't know. I guess because I'm a pretty good driver, even when I'm doing it, I don't see it's a problem.
Following several accidents and deaths resulting from texting and driving, 30 states have put bans on texting behind the wheel. It is now banned in Austin and is prohibited in school zones in San Marcos. For Bobcat Update, I'm Jen Nickell.
2 men accused in home burglaries in Hays, Caldwell, and Gonzales counties are in jail after a simple traffic stop. According to the San Marcos Daily Record, a Williamson County deputy sheriff stopped the suspect's car for a traffic violation and discovered guns in the vehicle.